Okay, guys, let's get this thing open. Pretty sure I know what's in here, but let's see. Oh, yeah. Okay. Let's get in this. So, it's quite nicely wrapped. Okay, we got the charger in here. Nice little charger we got. Sweet. It's your new charging setup. This must plug into the wall. Then we got just some more packaging. Keep it nice and safe. And here's the bad boy here. This thing is, let's get these all out of the way. This thing is considerably lighter than the other one. Holy smokes, it weighs like way less. That's crazy. Anyways, let's get this open. Man, Taxi Garage, they do some great job on packaging. Like, I can't imagine what they spend on just packaging. Like, some great quality stuff here. Actually, I just got a call from them about my other cart. So, they also have great customer service, but man, this thing looks sick, you guys. It's so much lighter. It's crazy, the difference in weight. The other one weighs like 35 to 40 pounds. This thing weighs like 20, if that, 10 pounds probably. I'd say like 10 pounds, if that, maybe 8. Yeah, that's nice. Look at that, you guys. Check that out. That's so clean and sleek. Yeah, I dig it. Okay, well, there she is, you guys. It says Taxi Garage on the other side. Looks like it's 3D printed. Then we got the charger. And yeah, we're going to go ahead and get this thing all hooked up in there, so let's get right into it. Okay, guys, so just to get a little weight comparison, I'd say this stock battery is about 40 pounds. Like, it is heavy. Now we come over to the Taxi Garage. Look at this. It's like nothing. And this thing's like, it's heavy. It's probably like 40 pounds, I would think. 40 to 45 pounds, but this thing is like 10 pounds. So that's insane. We're going to go ahead and see. It looks pretty simple to install. So I think we just take this new connector they provide, plug it into the old spot, just like so. Put this battery in like this so the mounting bar can go on there. Yeah. Fits super nice. And we just take our connector, red to red, black to black, plug it in. I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. Okay. And that's not good. Still does not work. Alright, so it's not the battery. Well, that sucks. Could be. I'd have to think it has something to do with this little ESC. Or maybe the connection. Or just this connect. Okay guys, since that didn't work, I'm going to go ahead and pull the speed controller out. So I have a feeling it's this thing, honestly. I don't know if it just burnt out, but I guess we'll find out here in a minute. I don't know what else it could be besides like the motor. I wish there was a way I could we have this thing out. quite interesting how everything has to be plugged in order for it to turn on. See you guys? Nothing. Even with it plugged in, nothing. Has to be the ESC. Man, I really want to drive this thing today, you guys. That sucks. Oh well. Well, guess we're just gonna have to order a new motor setup. Well, or maybe we'll just order another ESC for now. I don't know yet. Just figure it out. Well, you guys, we found the problem. The engine wire broke, so that sucks. And Taxi Garage is currently out of stock on their 1000-watt motor, so we have to wait until that comes back into stock. Because I think the stock motor's, the stock motor's $114 alone. I'd rather just buy the upgraded 1000-watt one. So looks like she's gonna be down for a while longer. Hopefully the small car gets done soon, because I really want to start driving again. Okay guys, just got off the phone with Taxi Garage, and unfortunately the 1000-watt motors are going to be out of stock for a week, or not a week, a month to 2 months, so we're going to be waiting on that. But for the meantime, we're going to go ahead and get this wire soldered up and get it all nice and fixed. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and remove this motor, get it all out so my dad can solder it up real quick. But those guys over at Taxi Garage, they have some great customer service, I gotta say. Shout out to Charlie and Zach, I think, no, Nick, not Zach, Nick. Shout out to those guys, they're super cool. Some of the coolest people I've talked to when I go through buying parts through people. Usually it's someone who's not very friendly, but those guys are awesome. So shout out to you guys. We're gonna go ahead and jump right into this. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay guys, got the motor all fixed up. We just soldered it real quick and then threw some electrical tape over it. Yeah, we're gonna get this thing back installed and get this thing ready to shred. Let's get into it. Cannot wait. Okay guys, we got it all fixed, as you can see. comparison between the 36 volt battery and this 48 volt. Now that we got that all fixed. So sweet. Okay, you guys, as you can see, is this thing on? Quick. That's not good. Okay, guys. Unplug that real quick. Holy crap. Hang on. I think I'll just short this system. It's kind of weak. Anyways, she's all up and running, so that's pretty sweet. We're going to be doing a comparison of these two batteries, the stock battery versus the 48 volt, here soon. Big comparison between the two is this one, the stock one weighs about 40 pounds, new one weighs about 10. So that's the first comparison I can see, but yeah, we're going to go ahead and end this video here. Stay tuned for more content of this new battery setup. I'll be posting tomorrow's video, and that'll have me ripping this thing around, but it's dark out now and I spent too much time working on this thing, so I didn't get to film it today. But thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow. Peace.